This 2012 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43 QBP is a Class A RV. It is located in Redmond, Oregon, 97756 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Redmond. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bath. This 2012 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43 QBP is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.